Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix yellow tint on screen after update in Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. If you're using Galaxy S23 FE and you're facing the issue that once updated your software, you might see at this type yellow tint or a yellow color on the screen. So let's see how can you fix this issue. The very first thing, you can go to your settings app here. In settings, just scroll down, go to display, and here you must see screen mode. You just have to make sure that you have selected natural from here, not vivid. Select natural, then just go back. So you can see that your issue has been fixed. Or if it's still not fixed your issue, so let me enable that first. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can go to settings app again, go to accessibility, go to vision enhancement, and here just scroll down. You will see color filter, you have to make sure that's disabled, and you'll see color correction, you have to make sure it's also has been disabled. After doing that, just go back, and here just go to advanced features, scroll down, or you can directly go to search here and just search for eye protection or eye comfort sheet. Go to this, and here make sure that it's disabled. So once I've disabled it, your issue will be fixed because sometimes it might be that you have accidentally enabled your eye comfort shade and you have maximized its intensity. So you might see this type issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.